Hello students, welcome to our English class. Dear students, today we will read our next letter O. Now students, at page number 28, we will read this letter O. O, O, ostrich. Student, phonic sound of letter O is O. Ostrich. Ostrich has a long neck and long legs. O, orange. Orange is rich in vitamin C. Orange is an fruit. O, octopus. Octopus is a water animal, lives in water. O, oyster. Students, it's like a shell. O, oil. Oil is used to cook vegetables. O, olive. Olive is a fruit and this is very healthy fruit. O, ox. Ox is a domestic animal. O, oil can. Oil can, it's like a container which has long nozzle for oiling machines. O, on. See, this ball is on the table. O, octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. Now students, will you tell me what is this? Yes, this is O, orange. Now students, can you tell me what is this? Yes, O, oil. Today we will learn the formation of letter O. Let's have a look on the board. This is capital letter O and the formation is very simple. Circle. And now I am writing small letter O. Phonic sound is O. Now, same within the first 3 lines, I am writing capital letter O. Circle. And in these 2 blue lines, within these 2 lines, we will write small letter O. So, let's practice this letter in the book. Students, at page number 8, see, this is letter O and the phonic sound of small letter O is O. So, O, ostrich, O, orange, O, octopus. First of all, we will trace our capital letter O and the formation is very simple. We will start from here. Make a circle, round, 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 join. Round, 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 up and join. Round, 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 then join. Round, 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 then join. Now we will trace our small letter O. Within these 2 blue lines, small circle. Round, then join. Round, 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 join. This one is very simple. Students, once again I am writing capital O and small O. Join. We start with this dot, then join. Simply make a circle. Join here. Small letter O is small circle. Yes. Start from this dot and then join. Start from here and then join. Now students, write this letter in your book at page number 8 and 9.